Good afternoon. In the last class, we discussed encoder. For that encoder, we discussed logic circuit of encoder and its truth table. How the logic circuit can be implemented, and those points we discussed in the last class. In that encoder, we discussed 4 to 2 encoder and 8 to 3 encoder and its corresponding truth tables and its corresponding logic circuits are discussed in the last class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the two-bit comparator. Objectives: on completion of this period, you would be able to learn, draw the two-bit comparator circuit, working of two-bit comparator, recap. So far, we have discussed about arithmetic circuits, multiplexers, demultiplexers, arithmetic circuits, multiplexers, demultiplexers. We are going to discuss two-bit comparator. Comparator. A comparator is a logic circuit that compares the value of two numbers. If A and B are the two numbers to be compared, the comparator compares the magnitude of A and B and produces one of the three outputs. One, A greater than B, A equal to B, A less than B. One bit comparator. This one bit comparator has two AND gates, three NOT gates, one exclusive OR gate. For first AND gate, input is given A and B bar. Hence, it is A bar B. And for second output, AB plus A bar B bar. And third output, A bar B. The first output is A greater than B, second is A equal to B, third is A less than B. Working of one bit comparator. If A and B are two one bit numbers to be compared, if bit A is greater than B, then A greater than B is high. If A equal to 0, and B equal to 1, then A is less than B. A less than B is high. When both A and B are equal to each other, then A equal to B is high. In this diagram, first one is A greater than B, second one is A equal to B, third one is A less than B. That is working of one bit comparator. Here we are comparing one bit. We are comparing bit A with B. So our bit is A bit only. Our bit to be compared is only A. Hence it is called one bit comparator. In one bit comparator, we compare unknown bit with known bit. That is, here in one bit comparator, known bit is B, unknown bit is A. Hence, we are comparing like A greater than B, A equal to B, A less than B. We are comparing unknown bit A with known bit B. Hence it is called one bit comparator. Now we go for two bit comparator. In this two bit comparator, two unknown bits are compared. Here there are two bits A1 A0, B1 B0. A1 A0 bits are compared with B1 B0. Finally, output is A greater than B, A equal to B, A less than B. Here, for A greater than B, output OR gate is provided. For A equal to B, AND gate is provided. For A less than B, OR gate is provided. For first OR gate, inputs are from first AND gate output and next AND gate output is given to the OR gate. For first AND gate, A1 bit is provided and B1 complement is provided to the first AND gate. For second AND gate, A0 bit is provided and B0 is given to the NOT gate. For OR gate, A1, B1 is provided and output of that exclusive OR gate, it's complemented and its output is given to the AND gate. For next exclusive OR gate, A0, B0 bits are provided and at the output of XOR gate, NOT gate is given and its output is given to the AND gate, which is A equal to B gate. For next AND gate, B0 bit and A0 complement bit is given to the AND gate, second last AND gate, and its output is given to the AND gate, and that AND gate output is given to the OR gate. For last AND gate, input is given P1 and A1 bar or B1 complement with NOT gate, and its output of AND gate is given to the OR gate, that is called A less than B. Working of 2-bit comparator. Let the numbers to be compared be A and B, where A bits are A1, A0 and B bits are B1, B0. A will be greater than B when any one of the following conditions is satisfied. When A1 is equal to 1, B1 is equal to 0, irrespective of other bits. If A1 equal to B1 and A0 equal to 1, B0 equal to 0, here the circuit is given. The bits are A0, A1, B0, B1, because it is 2-bit comparator. Here in this circuit, 2 bits are added, that is A bit and B bit. Here A0, B0, A1, B1 is added. Your 2 bits comparator means A0, A1 and B0, B1. The same circuit is given here for 2-bit comparator. A will be less than B when any one of the following condition is satisfied. When A1 equal to 0, B1 equal to 1, irrespective of other bits. If A1 equal to B1 and A0 equal to 0, B0 equal to 1. Which is opposite to the above relation. A will be equal to B when the following condition is satisfied. That is A1 equal to B1, A0 equal to B0. Here we are comparing two bits like A0, B0, A1, B1. Hence it is called two-bit comparator. Boolean expressions. A greater than B, that is A1 B1 plus A1 B1 plus A1 B1 into A0 B0. That is Boolean expression for A equal to B. A1 B1 plus A1 B1 into A0 B0 plus A0 B0. For A less than B, A1 B1 plus A1 B1 plus A1 B1 into A0 B0. These are the Boolean expressions we discussed now. So we discussed now 1-bit comparator and circuit diagram. We compared like A greater than B, A equal to B, A less than B. And circuits are designed for such condition. And for 2-bit comparator, it is also like A0 is compared with B0, B0 is A1 is compared with B1, like A0 A1 2 bits, B0 B1 is 2 bits, like that. We completed 1-bit comparator and 2-bit comparator. Summary: in this class, we have discussed about one-bit comparator, two-bit comparator. We studied clearly about 1-bit comparator, its circuit diagram studied, and conditions we studied, for 1 bit comparator. For 2 bit comparator, we studied how we compare 2 bits and how logic circuit is implemented. And for this we discussed Boolean expressions also. Here for 2 bit comparator, we discussed Boolean expressions for A greater than B condition and for A equal to B condition and for A less than B condition. Quiz. We discuss some quiz points here for comparator. We discuss some quiz points for 1 bit comparator and for 2 bit comparator we discuss some quiz points. The quiz are: a comparator circuit will have option A, 2 inputs and 2 outputs. Option B, 2 inputs and 3 outputs. Option C, 2 inputs and 4 outputs. Option D, 2 inputs and 1 output. A comparator actually will have 2 inputs because comparison takes place in between 2. So 2 inputs and output will be like this: A greater than B is the one output, A is equal to B is the second output, A less than B is the third output. Hence, for this question, its answer is 2 inputs and 3 outputs is the right answer for question A. Option B becomes right answer. Second question. In a 4-bit comparator circuit, if A equal to 1010 and B equal to 1001, then it gives an output. Option A greater than B. Option B, A equal to B. Option C, A less than B. Option D, none of the above. Here, for A equal to 1010, it means its value is 10, and B is the 1001, its value is 9. Means here A is greater than B. In this, option A is the right answer. That is A greater than B. Frequently asked questions. First one. Draw and explain a 2-bit comparator. Second one. Draw and explain a 4-bit comparator. Or we can say, draw and explain 1-bit comparator also. Assignment, or we can say questions expected. Same, draw and explain the working of 2-bit comparator. Draw and explain the working of 4-bit comparator. So we discussed 2 topics today, that is 2-bit comparator and 1-bit comparator in today's class, and we discuss some other topic in the next class.